What is Cryptomeria japonica? Cryptomeria japonica, commonly known as Japanese cedar, belong to the Cupressaceae family, is a striking evergreen tree native to Japan and China. It's appreciated for its dense foliage, which maintains its rich green color throughout the year, and its ability to create a lush, natural look in various garden settings. The tree can reach impressive heights, making it a popular choice for both residential and commercial landscapes. How fast does Cryptomeria japonica grow? One of the first questions I had when I planted Cryptomeria japonica was about its growth rate. Generally, Cryptomeria japonica is considered a slow to moderate grower. On average, it can grow about 6 to 12 inches per year, though this can vary based on the variety and growing conditions. With the right care and ideal conditions, it can reach its mature height of 30 to 50 feet over several decades. How to care for Cryptomeria japonica? Caring for Cryptomeria japonica involves understanding its needs and adapting to its preferences. Here's a breakdown of what I've learned. Soil: it thrives in well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Heavy clay or overly wet soil can lead to root rot. Watering: regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. However, avoid waterlogging, as this can be detrimental. Fertilization: a balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in early spring can support healthy growth. How to prune Cryptomeria japonica? Pruning Cryptomeria japonica is crucial for maintaining its shape and health. I typically prune it in late winter or early spring before new growth begins. This helps prevent stress and encourages a more uniform appearance. When pruning, focus on removing any dead or diseased branches and thinning out crowded areas to improve air circulation. For shaping, take care not to remove too much of the foliage, as this can lead to unsightly bare spots. When to prune Cryptomeria japonica? Timing is key when pruning Cryptomeria japonica. I find that late winter to early spring is ideal, just before the new growth starts. This timing allows the tree to recover quickly and minimizes the risk of frost damage. Avoid pruning in late summer or fall, as this can stimulate new growth that may not harden off before winter. Can Cryptomeria japonica be topped? Topping Cryptomeria japonica is generally not recommended. Topping can lead to a less attractive appearance and may stress the tree, potentially resulting in weak, unhealthy growth. Instead, focus on selective pruning to maintain its natural shape and structure. Can you plant Cryptomeria japonica in the sun? Yes, Cryptomeria japonica can be planted in full sun. It prefers sunny locations where it can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. However, it can also tolerate partial shade, particularly in hot climates where some afternoon shade might be beneficial. Can you grow Cryptomeria japonica in Louisiana? Growing Cryptomeria japonica in Louisiana is feasible, but there are some considerations. The tree generally adapts well to the climate, but the high humidity and heat can be challenging. Ensure that the soil is well drained and consider providing some afternoon shade to protect it from intense summer heat. Can you grow Cryptomeria japonica in a pot? Cryptomeria japonica can be grown in a pot, but it requires careful attention to its needs. Make sure the pot has good drainage, and use a high-quality potting mix. Regular watering is essential, and you may need to repot the tree periodically as it grows to accommodate its expanding root system. How to grow Cryptomeria japonica from seeds? Growing Cryptomeria japonica from seeds is a rewarding but slow process. Here's a basic guide. Stratification: start by soaking the seeds in water for 24 hours. Then, refrigerate them for about 2 to 4 weeks to simulate winter conditions. Planting: sow the seeds in a seed tray filled with a well-draining seed mix. Lightly cover them with soil and keep the tray in a warm, bright location. Care: keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Germination can take several weeks to a few months. How to propagate Cryptomeria japonica? Propagation of Cryptomeria japonica can be done through cuttings or seeds. For cuttings, take semi-hardwood cuttings in late summer or early fall. Preparation: select healthy, non-flowering stems and remove the lower leaves. Planting: dip the cut end in rooting hormone and plant it in a well-draining medium. Care: keep the cuttings in a humid environment until roots develop. Is Cryptomeria japonica deer resistant? Yes, Cryptomeria japonica is generally considered deer-resistant. The dense foliage and aromatic nature of the tree make it less appealing to deer, though hungry animals may occasionally browse on it if other food sources are scarce. What to plant with Cryptomeria japonica? When choosing companion plants for Cryptomeria japonica, consider plants with similar light and soil requirements. I found that ornamental grasses, such as Japanese bloodgrass or blue fescue, complement its texture well. Additionally, evergreen shrubs like boxwood or holly can create a cohesive and attractive landscape. Common problems. Common issues with Cryptomeria japonica include pest infestations, such as spider mites and scale insects, as well as diseases like root rot, especially in poorly drained soils. Regular inspection and proper care can help mitigate these problems. In summary, Cryptomeria japonica is a versatile and attractive addition to many gardens, offering year-round greenery and a robust presence. Whether growing it in a pot, planting it in full sun, or dealing with pests, a little knowledge and attention can ensure it thrives beautifully in your landscape.